Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says find the slope of the line passing through the points 1, 6 and negative 2, 6. So again, I'm going to have my formula. Slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1, or second y minus first y, over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, or second x minus the first x. And now I'm going to substitute. The second y coordinate is 6 minus the first y coordinate is 6 over the change in the horizontal will be negative 2, that's the second x coordinate, minus from the formula itself and a 1. If I then simplify, 6 minus 6 is 0, and negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, and 0 divided by negative 3 is 0. So the slope of this line would be 0, which actually means it's a horizontal line.